What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to say and tell you guys about how my cough has been. So yeah, basically today guys I've had like a better day, but I'm still in like day 18 of having this really bad cough. I think it's like some kind of 30-day cough, whatever it's called. But yeah, it's just still really getting on my nerves because you'd expect like a cold for like 3 or 4 days, but I wouldn't class it as a cold. I've just had like this really bad cough. It's been like that all day, every day for like 18 days, and it's just really getting to me now. It's really annoying me. Even though I'm getting better, it's still really annoying to think that I've had this cough for 18 days. But like I said in yesterday's video, I've been able to get a perfect amount of sleep every night. But what I forgot to say was, as an update, unless I didn't tell you in the other videos where I said how I've been, a few nights ago, like 11 days ago, for the like first week of the cough, there were like 3 nights where I was awake. There was one night where I was awake till like 3 in the morning. But just to make it clear, that is not from people keeping me awake all night. It's nothing to do with that. It's nothing to do with like banging sounds or anything like that. It's just this really annoying cough. It's been this cough that's keeping me awake for like until like 3 in the morning, half 3. Because I was awake till like half 3. I thought it was going to be like 6 o'clock in the morning. So my uncle came in and asked me if I was okay, and I said yes. And I was like, it's just this cough that's really getting on my nerves, because this cough a few nights ago, well, about 10 days ago, kept me awake until half 3 in the morning. Wait up, hold on. On the 7th of February, which was flipping heck. Hold on. 7th of February, 13 days ago, I had this happen. I was awake till half 3 in the morning on the 7th of February. So yeah, it was just really like annoying. It's just the fact that it's just stayed there kind of, and it's just not shifted, because this was the cough that kept me awake until half 3 in the morning on a school night. I'm not joking, this cough literally kept me awake from 10:30, which is the time I'm meant to go to sleep. I was like, what time is it? And my uncle said, I think he said, you don't want to know, because of how how late at night it was. It was literally half 3 in the morning on a school night, when I normally wake up at 7, half 7, depending on the circumstances, what's going on. But when you think about 7 o'clock, when I normally get 8 hours sleep, no, I literally got 4 hours sleep, because I normally go to bed at 10:30, but this cough kept me awake until half 3 in the morning. But that's a bit like irrelevant now, because that was ages back, a few weeks ago. To make it clear, unless my family watches my video, it's not any of my family that kept me awake. It's not anyone like banging, it's just this cough. Just to make clear to everyone watching this video, it's just this cough that kept me awake. Because it literally won't lift, it's just stayed there. So, yeah. Next of all is today. I've been coughing all day today. But the good part is I've been having my appetite back for ages now. I've had my appetite back for I'm working out. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've had my appetite back for 6 days. 6 days I've had my appetite back for now. And it's just really making me happy that I've got my appetite back. And I'm able to eat properly again. I've not had temperatures. A few days ago I actually came off my antibiotic because I had my last dose a few days ago, and I've not needed any ever since. I mean, literally, I'm not even getting my words out properly. But yeah, today I've been coughing a lot, as you could probably tell. But I need to cough again. It's literally that cough every day, all day. I mean, I'm overreacting saying that it's been like that for 18 days though. But my nose is going on more now. Because according to some of my family members, I've apparently caught this like 30-day cough. But I'm like, well, it doesn't matter now. I'm in day 18. So I've got 12 days to go. So I hope that it's gone earlier because it's doing me head in, coughing all day. What's not doing me head in is I've not got a temperature anymore, which is really good. Well, I didn't word that right. I've not been having a temperature for ages. I've been getting my appetite back. It's just this cough now that needs to go. And yes, guys, it's just this cough. It's just like it's clinged onto me now. It's used to me, and it's like my body's just used to this cough because I've had it for so long. And my body won't lift it yet. But I have no idea how long I'm going to have this cough, but hopefully it goes soon because it's really starting to bug me. It's not that I've been awake all night because I've not, but it was ever since that day that I was awake till 3:30 in the morning because of this cough. And I was coughing my guts up. I was at that point at night where when you have a cough, you cannot stop coughing. Do you know when you get this really bad like cough and you can't stop coughing? I was like that, but for 5 hours. 5 hours. And I was like, great, I'm getting absolutely no sleep tonight. And I'm like, yeah, exactly. Of course it has to happen on a school night. It's just so annoying. It's a school night and it happens. I wouldn't mind if it was like half term where I could just chill out the next day, but on a school night, I'm like, great. But yeah, my auntie asked that day if I'm sure I wanted to go to school tomorrow on the 8th of February, which was technically No, on the 7th of February, I mean, because this happened. I've got this wrong. This happened on the 6th of February. So, yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.